And special thanks to my friends at this company who are nice enough to send me this magnetic portable charger for the iPhone. Inside of this little box is a magnetic portable iPhone charger. Let's take it out of here. Got some instruction booklets in here, USB cable, and that looks to be everything in the box. So we have a little GIF to and from thing. Then they include a portable power bank, 9mm ultra slim charger instruction guide, which will tell you everything about this charger. Then they include a little tiny USB-A to USB-C cable to charge up your charger. And then lastly, the charger itself. Look at that. Magnetic connection, non-wireless charging. You're probably thinking, why would it be magnetic if it's not to charge wireless? Well, that's so that I could take this easily with me wherever that I go. So it will stay on the back of the phone, and whenever I need it, I can just take it off of my phone, and I can pull out my lightning cable. As you can see, that's a lightning cable, which is what my iPhone has, and I can plug it in right here on the bottom, and boom, it instantly starts charging. And of course, you can easily put it back when you're done. To charge up this battery bank, the USB-C port is here on the side. And outside of that, you get a little power indicator light here on the back. You can see the 3 lights there. So that will essentially do it for this portable power bank for the iPhone. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send it to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.